Welcome to this how-to guide for operating the Ganterud Pro Series leveling yokes. Please follow these instructions carefully to ensure safe and effective use on site. Begin by opening the access cover on the side of the machine. Remove the radio remote from its storage compartment. Check the battery level indicator to confirm the yoke has sufficient charge. 3 lights will indicate the battery charge status, with low, half and fully charged. Use the isolator key to switch on the machine. Close the access cover securely. To switch on the radio remote control, first toggle the switch on the back of the remote. Then press the button on the front of the remote to turn the remote on. Pair the remote by pressing buttons 1 and 2 simultaneously. Press and hold both release function buttons for 3 seconds. The release indicator lights on the machine will start flashing. With the braking system now released, begin lifting the leveling yoke to locate the load's center of gravity. Press button 1 or 2 to engage the brake and disable the release. Lift the load clear of the ground. Adjust the level as required using button 1 or button 2. Button 1 corresponds and controls chain 1, as clearly marked on the side of the machine, with button 2 controlling chain 2. This is also marked on the machine. If needed, press the rabbit or speed button to increase the leveling speed. Once the load has been landed or installed and lifting is complete, begin the shutdown process. To switch off the radio remote control, first press the button on the front of the remote. Then toggle the switch on the back of the remote. Open the access cover on the side of the machine. Turn the isolator key to the off position. If charging is required, connect the included plug. When plugged in, the battery indicator lights will flash to show the machine is charging. After charging, store the cable safely. Return the remote control to its storage compartment. Remove the isolator key. Finally, close and lock the access cover. This concludes the how-to guide. For more detailed information, refer to the full operator manual provided with the machine or contact GGR Group.